First on our list is gourmet coffee. Now, who doesn't love the aroma of freshly brewed gourmet coffee from their favorite coffee shop? It's a little luxury that many of us indulge in daily. But have you ever stopped to consider the cost of this daily indulgence? Let's do the math. Say you're paying $5 for a cup of gourmet coffee every morning. That's $35 a week, $150 a month, and a whopping $1,800 a year. And that's just for one cup a day. If you're a multiple cups kind of person, these numbers just skyrocket. Now consider the alternative, brewing your coffee at home. A bag of high-quality coffee beans might set you back $15. This bag could easily last you a month, even if you're having multiple cups a day. That's a yearly cost of just $180. So, the difference between buying gourmet coffee daily and brewing at home, a staggering $1,620 a year. That's a pretty hefty sum you could be saving. And let's not forget, brewing at home also gives you the flexibility to customize your coffee to your liking. More froth, less sugar, extra strong. You're the barista now. So think twice before you queue for that expensive cup of Joe tomorrow morning.